Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling the Analysis tool pack so tools are available. Go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, then choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. Once done, check both Analysis tool pack and Solver add-in because Solver handles optimization tasks you'll likely need. Make sure the Data tab now shows Data Analysis on the right. If not, restart Excel. This step unlocks regression, ANOVA, and descriptive stats. It saves time versus installing external plugins later. Once enabled, you run core analyses from Data Right Arrow Data Analysis. Choose the test you need: descriptive statistics for summaries, regression for relationships, ANOVA for group differences, and click OK. Then specify the input range, tick labels if your selection includes headers, and pick an output range or new worksheet ply so results don't overwrite raw data. Also adjust options like confidence level, output residuals, or force constant. These settings affect interpretation, so set them before you proceed. You finish by interpreting and validating the output. Look at p-values, r-squared means, standard deviations, and f-statistics to assess significance and model fit. Once done, create plots, residuals, histograms, scatter with trendline to visualize patterns and check assumptions. Make sure to validate by rerunning with corrected ranges or excluding outliers. If things go wrong, recheck input ranges, remove blanks or non-numeric cells, and confirm column data types. That single fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.